City of Parma, Ohio. Fire Protection Contractor License Bond. What is the City of Parma, Ohio? Fire Protection Contractor License Bond. The City of Parma, Ohio. Fire Protection Contractor License Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install or work on fire protection systems, such as sprinklers and alarms. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local laws, codes, and safety regulations. This bond involves three parties: the contractor, principal, the city, obligee, and the surety company. Why is City of Parma, Ohio, Fire Protection Contractor License Bond required? The bond is required to protect the public and the city from faulty or unsafe fire protection work. It ensures that contractors comply with building codes and industry standards when installing or maintaining fire safety systems. If a contractor fails to meet these obligations, the bond provides a form of financial recourse for damages or corrections. How does City of Parma, Ohio, Fire Protection Contractor License Bond work? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company as part of the licensing process. If the contractor violates regulations or performs substandard work, a claim can be filed against the bond. The surety may pay valid claims up to the bond amount, but the contractor must repay the surety for any losses. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.